Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable Face ID on Gcash. Based on information available, disabling Face ID or biometric login on Gcash involves understanding how Gcash security features works. Here is a breakdown of the key points. Gcash offers biometric login, including Face ID, for convenient and secure access. This feature enhances security by adding an extra layer of authentication. MPIN as primary security. Your Gcash MPIN, that is mobile personal identification number, remains the primary security measure. Gcash prioritizes MPIN security. Gcash security protocols include automatically disabling biometric login in certain situations, such as if there are multiple failed biometric login attempts, or if you can reset your Gcash MPIN. Now, how to effectively manage this? Ensure your MPIN is strong and kept confidential. Avoid sharing your MPIN with anyone. While direct disable Face ID toggle might not always be present, managing your overall security settings within the Gcash app is crucial. To find the setting in the Gcash app, tap Profile, then tap Settings, then tap Account Secure. This is where security settings are managed. If you want to ensure biometric login is disabled, reset your MPIN, and to achieve this. Note: Gcash security is designed to protect your account. Your MPIN is the most important security measure. Gcash system has automatic security features that will disable biometrics when it detects potential security issues. Therefore, while there may not be a direct disable Face ID button, focusing on MPIN security and understanding Gcash security protocol is the most effective approach.